Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels on an Epson WorkForce 2510. Now this can be done from the machine itself using nothing but the buttons found on the front here and this little screen. There's no need to have an attached PC or laptop. So first of all, we're going to go into the menu by pressing this button here. From here we need to get into maintenance. Now it's option 9, which is right at the bottom. So to get to it nice and quickly, we're just going to press up. You see it's taking us to 9, maintenance. So we press OK. And ink levels is the very first option. So we press OK again. And now we've got a visual representation of how much ink the printer thinks is in each of the cartridges. Black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. Now if you're interested in the ink levels due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, it's much more likely to be down to a small blockage found in the printer's print head. The best way to resolve this is cleaning cycles, which we have a separate video for on our channel. But I hope you found what you're looking for here. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.